Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for reshaping data. To run some tests on your data in Python, your data may need to be converted from wide format to long format. To reshape your data from wide to long format, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree Help module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. Your reshaped data is now in the Python global environment ready for use, or can be loaded from the saved file later.